So today we have an epic video. It's going to be an experiment, but it's going to be a delicious experiment. Right, babe?
I think so.
So, backstory, there is a local small business who we love and support called Shell's Kitchen. You want to hold that up, babe?
Uh-huh.
So, Shell's Kitchen, one of their signature items is candied jalapenos. And you could describe it better, babe. We eat it with like crackers and cream cheese and stuff like that.
It's really good. I actually put it on my breakfast this morning.
So it's
delicious.
like, it's spicy, but it's
Really
not spicy, but it's sweet. So it's like a sugary jalapeno glazed thickness deliciousness. That's the best way I could describe it.
Yes.
You guys have to check out the company. You guys have to follow them on Instagram. It's amazing. So, Shell's Kitchen, not only do we get our candied jalapenos from them, but then she gave us, what is it, like the glaze?
It's the glaze, so I assume it is
what
show that,
these are
made
Show
in.
that.
It's the leftover glaze, and we are putting it on our meat.
A piece of flank steak. You guys, obviously, you've seen us do flank steak before. You know it's delicious. Now, take that candied jalapeno marinade glaze. Marinate this for 8 hours.
Oh, yeah. Delicious.
In the refrigerator, now we're letting it come up to a little temperature on the sink. Grilled on the Weber kettle using our favorite charcoal, Jealous Devil briquettes, using the slow and sear. Absolutely amazing. Babe, it's going to put it on the board and put candied jalapenos on the top of it.
And then slice it.
And then slice it against the grain.
I wonder if it would be good in tacos.
How is that going to be, babe?
Tacos. Delicious.
I think it's going to be good. This is like a total experiment. I think it's going to be really good.
It's going to be great.
All right, babe.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. All right. Candied jalapeno flank steak on the Weber kettle with the slow and sear and Jealous Devil. And here we go. Mwah! Yeah, we're in love today.
That's a good day, babe.
All right, stay tuned. We're going to be outside on the world's smallest patio. We're going to be using our Weber kettle. We're going to be using our favorite company from S&S Grills, the slow and sear, the drip and griddle, the easy spin grate. Honestly, what we're going to do is we're going to light this Jealous Devil charcoal with a fire cup. We're going to get the charcoal super hot because flank steak, you're just going to grill flip, 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 and it's going to be super, super good. And I'm thinking that this candied jalapeno marinade that we've been doing for the last tons of hours is going to be super good. We're going to top it with candy jalapenos. We're going to slice it against the grain. Let's see how this experiment works out. Obviously, we love Jealous Devil. It's going to be amazing. And yeah, let's come on back. Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Is that a Halloween shirt?
Yeah, it's Halloween time.
Babe, I got to talk to you about something. Have you been watching the news?
I try not to.
It's terrible. I understand that. But they're saying that like during Christmas time and stuff like that, like
there's going to be nothing.
There's going to be nothing. So if you guys want some barbecue toys and stuff like that for the Christmas and Hanukkah season, what do you think, babe?
You need it now.
You need to look
Definitely
into that now.
Yes.
We have a lot of links below, babe. Like that epic thermometer in your hand.
Yeah, look it.
That's your favorite thermometer.
It's so nice. It turns on as soon as you open it.
That's actually the most accurate, like legit, most epic thermometer.
Yeah. It says it's 81 degrees out.
It is probably 81 degrees out in mid-October.
83, yeah.
How's your world's smallest patio doing?
It's messy. It's dirty.
It
has more barbecues now.
Babe, we're not even going to talk about that. Is the most epic barbecue in the market, babe. Yeah, babe. Okay,
there will be a video coming. Okay.
The Jealous Devil's getting hot from the fire cup over in the corner. So, yeah, let's put it on, babe.
Are you ready? There's a leaf that got in there.
How did a leaf get in there, babe?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, we're going direct. Wow, that already smells so good. What do you think, babe?
I think that I already have my hair done for tomorrow, and it's going to smell like barbecue.
Well, yeah, I mean, probably. You're doing a great job.
Okay, time to flip.
Oh, yeah, babe.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to check temperatures here. And we're at 114. We want to check the thickest part. So we're about 114, 115. We're definitely done down here.
But that's the skinny part.
That's the skinny part. We just need the fat part. We're getting there.
And then we're going to put it on the in-grain cutting board and we're going to let it rest.
Heck yeah, babe.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to lay some of these jalapenos on here. We keep these in the fridge. We got a big old jar of them. They are very yummy.
Oh, I smell them. I smell them. They're so, like, sweet.
They really are sweet. There's a lot of sweet.
They're not actually that spicy, but they're
No, they're
so
pretty spicy,
good.
I think. They're really good. See, and then you can see right here, there's that juice, and that is the glaze that we used. Yeah, baby.
Ready.
I'm pretty excited for this.
Are you cutting against the grain after it rested for about 10 minutes?
I think so, yes. And I'm cutting smaller pieces. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I honestly cannot wait to try this.
I know, I'm very
I'm
excited.
very curious how it's going to taste.
I think it's going to be pretty darn good, babe.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's juicy? Wow.
A little baby bit.
Babe, the camera is we're so far back. This is so unprofessional.
Well, it's because I'm so short.
Because you're so short. But let me show the folks. Like, oh, hold on. Come on, camera. You can, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, babe, you should show the folks. Look, yeah. Show the folks. Oh, this is the most unprofessional video ever. Oh, yeah. Babe, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Okay.
It's so juicy. There's juice all over the board.
Cheers.
It tastes like candied steak.
I just love those jalapenos.
Like, immediately you get the sugar, but then you get the heat.
Yeah, they're spicy. It's pretty good, actually. I really
It's
like
very
it.
good.
I think if we made it a taco, it would be even better.
Tacos would be really good because then you could do the cilantro and the taco shell and everything like that. Because just the meat by itself, you get the sugar up front and then you get the heat in the back.
Yeah.
Her candied jalapenos are fantastic,
They're
especially when you
delicious.
do like a cream cheese and cracker and stuff like that. They're very, very good. That would make a banging taco. That would make a really good taco.
It would make a really good steak sandwich.
Or a steak
With
sandwich.
cream cheese, jalapenos, and steak.
Bread, cream cheese, jalapenos, the steak,
Yeah.
the
Toasted.
juice, toasted,
Yeah.
like a little panini or something.
That
would
would
be
be delicious.
very good.
I love it.
It's a neat experiment.
It was good,
I
babe.
don't know.
You did a good job.
Neat experiment. We're just trying to brainstorm, think of things and stuff like that. I don't know. All right, babe.
Okay. We'll see you guys on the
Top
next
tier
one.
channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you so, so much. All of our channel members, honestly. Anybody that's taken the time and effort and finances to hit that join button, thank you. We honestly
appreciate
do
you.
really, really appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right, babe.
Okay.
Until the next video.
We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, babe. We'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. See ya.
So instead of doing a cracker, I just did
Babe, you're doing
Steak.
behind the scenes now?
some steak, some cream cheese, and some jalapenos. Let's try it.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. It's killer? Mm-hmm. You want
I
the
really
cream
like
cheese,
this.
babe. I don't know. It's
I
good?
love cream cheese. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good.